Hello, clarinets. Today we are going to learn to read the three notes that you need to play Cool It. So the first note you need to know is B flat, and we actually need to learn two new keys to play B flat. We're actually not going to use any of our normal keys that we use with our fingers. We normally have our fingers 1, 2, and 3 right here, right? But today we're not going to use any of those. And we normally have our thumb right here, but today it's not going to go on that thumb key. So we actually have other keys on our clarinet, and this little silver key above the thumb key is where your thumb's going to go for this song. And instead of having your first finger on the first hole, now it's going to go on the silver key above that. And then one of our notes is called G, and you need no fingers for that. So the first note you need to know is B flat, and that's going to use our thumb and our first finger. So we have first finger and thumb down. So put your thumb on that silver key and put your first finger on the silver key up front above there. So you're just going to pinch those two keys so they're pressed down, and that is B flat. B flat is on a line, and it's the very first note we play. It's on the third line. First line, second line, third line. Also, it has a special symbol in front of it called a flat. When we write it with letters, we always write it after. When we write it in music, we always write it before. So we have a B flat here, and we actually play B flat for 4 measures. But then it switches to a new note. And all you have to do is keep your first finger down and lift up your thumb. So there's no thumb for this next note. You literally are first and thumb, just lift your thumb. All you have to do is lift your thumb for the second note, and that is called A. And A is our only space note in this song, meaning there's no line running through the head of this note. It is between two lines, so it's a space note. And we play A, which is first finger only, for 4 measures. And then we have another line note. But does this one have that symbol in front of it? No, it doesn't have a flat. Also, it's not on the third line, it's on the second line. This one's called G, and on the clarinet, G is open. It has no fingers. So we go from both fingers, thumb and first, to just your first finger, to no fingers for G. So we have B flat with 2 fingers, A, first finger only, and G, no fingers. And then after G, we go back to our space note, which was called, you're right, it was called A, which is first finger only. And then we go right back to our B flat, which is both our thumb and our first finger on those silver keys. So we have B flat. So we start with B flat, 2 fingers. Then we go to A, 1 finger, first finger. Then we go to G, no fingers. And then put your first finger back down for A, and then put your thumb back down for B flat. All right, let's go ahead and sing from the beginning. I'm going to play B flat, A, and G so you can hear what they sound like, but we're going to sing this. Instead of singing B flat, though, we're just going to call this B for singing purposes so that our rhythm is correct. So it is a B flat with your thumb and your first finger down, but while we're singing, I'm just going to call it B so that our rhythm is correct, except for right here. I'm going to call it B flat, B flat. All right, so here's what B flat, A, and G sound like. One more time. All right, let's start on B flat. Can we sing with B? Here we go. B, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. B, 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 A, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. A, 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 G, G, A, B, B, B flat, B flat. How'd you do? Noticing our B's, A's, and G's. All right, we will do this again in another video from beginning to end, but let's move on to 13. It starts with what note? B flat. How do you know it's B flat? Oh, because there is a symbol in front of it as the flat sign. Also, it's on the third line. So you have 2 fingers down, thumb and first finger for this B flat. Ready, sing with me, here we go. It's B, 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 A, 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 G, G, A, A, B, 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 B flat, B flat. Awesome. Here we are at 25. Can you count those rests with me? Ready? And here we go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. B, 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 A, 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 G, G, A, A, B, 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 B. Awesome. Here we are at 41. Going to get the whole thing in our view. 41 starts on B flat, and then it moves to A. I wonder if there's a pattern here. And then it moves to G. Yep. Then A, then B flat. So here we go on B flat. Ready, and here we sing B, 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 A, 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 G, G, A, A, B, 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 B. Cool it! Awesome job. So go ahead and watch this video a couple of times until you can really start to recognize what B flat looks like. And remember that B flat is thumb and first finger. And here, I'll move it up so you can see those. So B flat has that symbol in front of it. It's a line note, and it's thumb and first finger on those special silver keys. Then you just lift your thumb for our space note, A, first finger only, and then you lift your first finger for G, and then you put your first finger down. So practice that with me. It's both fingers, lift your thumb, lift your first finger, put your first finger down. Try it again. Both fingers, lift your thumb for A, lift your first finger for G, put your first finger back down for A, and then we go back to B flat with both fingers. So it's always that pattern. Both, first finger, no fingers, first finger. Both. That is your pattern. It always goes both, first finger, no fingers for G, first finger, both fingers. All right, see you in the next video where we will actually play through from beginning to end with no stops. So I'll see you in that video.